This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to upgrade Office Taxi Boss. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection and administrative rights on your computer. This process will guide you through preparing your system, performing the update, and verifying everything works correctly afterward. It's a straightforward way to keep your software current and benefit from the latest features and improvements. Before beginning the upgrade, it's crucial to prepare your system. Start by noting your current software version. Then, create a complete backup of your Office Taxi Boss database and any associated files. This step is vital for data recovery if any issues arise. Finally, review the system requirements for the new version to ensure compatibility. Now, let's perform the upgrade. Download the most recent Office Taxi Boss installer from the official source. Once downloaded, run the installer as an administrator. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions, making sure to select the option to upgrade your existing installation rather than performing a fresh install. This ensures your current data and settings are preserved. After the installation completes, launch Office Taxi Boss to confirm the upgrade was successful. Take a moment to verify that all your data, settings, and configurations are intact and functioning as expected. You can now explore any new features, enhancements, or bug fixes included in the updated version, ensuring you get the most out of your software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.